Barely a year into Parliament's term, Bill Shorten's delivered a new $4 billion tax hit on the rich. In his first major policy for the next election, he's promising to claw more tax from those who split their income through trusts. Labor's bundling it into its pitch for economic equality, the theme of its campaign for the next 2 years. Here's National Affairs correspondent Greg Jennett.
His second attempt at high office is a race to be first among equals.
Tackling inequality wherever we see it.
Bill Shorten's calling out inequality in all its forms.
One of the greatest, stupidest examples of inequality in this country.
From marriage rights to wages and high flyers lauding it in what he calls a two-class tax system.
This is the economy class system. But then there's the business class tax system behind the curtain. It's a different menu.
Not for the first time, Labor's changing the fare consumed by the top 2% of taxpayers. It'd slap a 30% tax on those who dilute their income through trusts.
It makes our budget stronger, and it's the right thing to do.
It has in its sights the likes of John, the successful lawyer, paid $500,000 a year. On top, he picks up another $210,000 from profit sharing. That goes into a trust and splits $70,000 each to his wife and 2 uni student children. All up, the trio would face a $63,000 tax bill under Labor. Farm and other categories of trusts would be exempt, but those who do pay more would add $4 billion to coffers in the first 4 years. Superannuation, investment properties, accountants' fees, and now top-end trusts. Labor's plucking revenue by the billions from people who'd never vote for it anyway. Each policy comes in its ending inequality wrapper and with the now familiar taunt to the coalition to copy it.
Either come out today and defend income splitting, defend the current arrangements and promise no change, or admit there's a problem.
The government's calling it a tax grab and demanding equality of access to Labor's policy details before delivering its verdict. Greg Jennett, ABC News, Canberra.